Welcome to the SynaptyX Foundry, where we solve everyday problems using AI. We don't build platforms. We don't sell you software. We build AI work hacks, focus tools for the boring, repetitive stuff that drains your time, so you can focus on the work that actually matters. Built by people who've been there. Meet SynStruct, our first AI work hack. You know that feeling? It's 11 p.m., and you're still copy-pasting data from PDFs into Excel. Yeah, we don't miss that either. SynStruct takes your messy PDFs, tables, invoices, reports, whatever you've got, and turns them into clean Excel sheets. No manual work. No errors. No all-nighters. The demo video is live on YouTube. Go check it out. If you've hired recently, you know the pain. Hundreds of resumes. All using the same AI buzzwords. Dynamic professional with a proven track record of spearheading growth. Looks impressive. Means absolutely nothing. SynHire cuts through the noise. It flags AI-generated content, scores real skills, evaluates candidates properly, and generates tailored interview questions for each person. Because hiring shouldn't feel like finding a needle in a stack of identical needles. The SynaptyX Foundry isn't stopping here. More AI work hacks are coming, and we're building them fast. So here's what you can do. Drop a comment. Tell us your biggest productivity killer. What problem would you like AI to solve for you? Let's talk about transforming how your team works.